What if you could land a career that pays $100,000, $150,000, even $300,000 plus per year? What if you could work on self-driving cars, chatbots like ChatGPT, AI that detects diseases, or tools used by millions of people? And what if I told you, you don't need a PhD to get started? But here's the problem. Most people are confused. Too many AI roles. Too many skills. No clear path. So in this video, I'll break down the top AI career paths, the skills required for each, the real salary ranges, and how to choose the right one for you. Let's get started.
Why AI careers are booming.
AI is not the future anymore. It's happening right now. Companies are investing billions into AI. Tech companies, healthcare, finance, even education. Why? Because AI can automate tasks, save time, increase profits. And that means one thing: huge demand for skilled people. Let's do the reality check. Entry-level AI roles, $80,000 to $120,000. Mid-level, $120,000 to $180,000. Senior roles, $200,000 plus. And in top companies, even higher.
The AI career landscape.
Before choosing a path, understand this. AI is not one job. It's an ecosystem. Here are the main career paths. AI engineer builds and deploys real-world AI systems that solve practical problems. Machine learning engineer designs and trains models that learn patterns from data. Data scientist analyzes complex data to generate insights and predictions. Data analyst interprets data to help businesses make informed decisions. AI researcher develops new algorithms and advances the field of AI. AI product manager guides AI products from idea to launch, aligning tech with user needs. AI developer creates applications powered by AI for everyday use. AI prompt engineer crafts effective prompts to get accurate and useful outputs from AI systems. Each has different skills, different difficulty levels, different salaries. Let's break them down one by one.
AI engineer.
What they do: AI engineers build real AI systems. Examples are chatbots, recommendation systems, automation tools. They don't just build models, they build working products. Skills required are Python, machine learning, APIs, cloud, deployment,
Machine learning engineer.
What they do: they focus on training and optimizing models. For examples: prediction systems, recommendation engines, fraud detection. Skills needed are Python, ML algorithms, deep learning, data handling, and model optimization. Salary range is $110,000 to $190,000 plus. It is best for people who enjoy math coding and people who love models.
Data scientist.
What they do, they turn data into insights. For example, business predictions, customer behavior analysis, data-driven decisions. Skills needed are Python/SQL, statistics, data visualization, machine learning basics. Salary range is $70,000 to $150,000 plus. It is best for beginners, non-coders.
Data analyst.
What they do, analyze data, create dashboards, support business decisions. Skills needed are Excel, SQL, Power BI or Tableau. Salary range is $60,000 to $100,000 plus. It is best for beginners and non-coders starting in AI.
AI researcher.
What they do, create new AI algorithms, work on cutting-edge technology. Skills needed are advanced math, deep learning, research papers. Salary range is $150,000 to $300,000 plus. It is best for highly technical learners, people who love theory.
AI product manager.
What they do, plan AI products, manage teams, bridge tech and business. Skills needed are communication, product thinking, basic AI understanding. Salary range is $120,000 to $200,000 plus. It is best for leaders, strategy thinkers,
AI developer or builder.
What they do, build AI apps using tools, create SaaS products. Skills needed are APIs, no-code or low-code tools, prompt engineering. Income generated by freelance or SaaS can be unlimited. It is best for creators, entrepreneurs.
Prompt engineer.
Prompt engineer. Write prompts for AI tools. Optimize outputs. Skills needed are communication, creativity, AI tools. Salary range is $70,000 to $150,000 plus. It is best for beginners, non-coders.
How to choose the right path.
Ask yourself, do you like coding, AI engineer, or ML engineer? Do you like data? Data scientist. Want easier start? Data analyst or prompt engineer. Want to build products? AI developer. Love research? AI researcher. Don't try everything. Pick one path. Learn deeply. Build projects. AI careers are not just for experts. They're for people who are willing to learn. If this video helped you, like, share, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, which AI career path are you choosing? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.